Are you ready to withdraw your profit from Apex Trader Funding in 2025? In this tutorial, we will walk you through the complete withdrawal process, ensuring you maximize your earnings and streamline your payouts. You can request withdrawals twice a month from the 1st to 5th, with payouts processed by the 15th and from the 15th to 20th, with payment issued by the end of the month. Ensure you have completed at least 10 trading days before making a withdrawal request. This is crucial for eligibility. For the first 3 months, there are maximum withdrawal limits based on your account size. After that, as long as you maintain the required minimum balance, there are no limits on withdrawals. The minimum balance required before requesting a withdrawal varies. For USD 25,000 account, it's 26,600 USD, and for a 300,000 USD account, it's 307,600 USD. During your designated withdrawal period, submit your request through your account dashboard. Once submitted, your request will be reviewed. You will receive an approval notification during the specified period. Payments are dispatched on set dates, either the 15th or the last day of the month. After dispatch, expect funds to reach your bank account within 3 to 7 business days. With Apex Trader Funding payout policy, you can efficiently manage your earnings and withdrawals. Remember to adhere to all trading rules and maintain your minimum balance to ensure smooth transactions. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to accessing your profits seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!